Next you see this question. Exercise 7.1 question number 4. What is given in the question? Pratikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. That means these are the sides, length, breadth and height. Okay. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? Okay, cube, that means all the sides are equal, and cuboid, the opposite sides are equal and there is a height. The 3D of cuboid is the shape of 3D of rectangle. Okay, it has length, breadth and height. So how many cuboid, after joining how many cuboid you find a cube? These are the measurement of cuboid. Okay, so cube, that means the length, breadth and height should be equal in a cube. So now what is the, you can do this sums like this. What is the volume of a cube? Volume of cube of sides 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. These are given. The sides are this. Okay. Now volume is what of a cube? Length into breadth into height. This from here, this should be this one and this one is the length and breadth. Okay. So 5 into 5 into 5 centimeter cube. Now see here, 2 5s and 1 2s are left. Is not it? To convert this one as a cube, what is left here? There is no group of 5 and 2. That means 2 you need and 1 5 you need to make a pair of the group of 3. Okay. So 2's are left, which are not in a perfect cube. So if what you have to multiply to make it a perfect cube, you need 1 5 and 2 2s. So if we multiply this by how many 2s you need? 2. 2 2s you need, and how many 5 you need? 1 5. So this is equal to 20. Then it will be a perfect cube. Okay. So thus, if you multiply 5 5, then 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is equal to 1000. Now see, after multiplying this, what you find, the number is 1000, which is a perfect cube. Okay. So this number is the perfect cube. So 20 cuboid. How many cuboid you need? 20 cuboid you need of 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter are required to form a cube. Okay. So 20 cuboid you need. Clear? Next, to find the cube root without finding the prime factorization. How can you find the cube root? See, one number. So you have to find cube root of, say the number is 857375. 857375. The cube root of this number you have to find out without doing the prime factorization. So how can you find it? Now see, this is the short procedure to find the cube root. Okay, now see, the number is what? 857375. Okay, first of all you have to make a group from the right hand side. 3 group banana hai. You have to make 3 group. Now see, first group is this one, second group is this one. Okay, now see, in the first group, what is the number in unit place? This is 5. Okay, now check the table. Here in unit place is the number is 5, is not it? In unit place number is 5. Now check this one. You see, when you find the cube root of any number, say 1, the cube of 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, and so on. Whenever you find the numbers, then you can see that in unit digits no repetition of numbers are there. Okay, no repetition of number. See, these are 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 20. See the ones place. There is no repetition. Is it clear? Now, the unit place, you have to check the unit place. Unit place 5 means it is 125. 5 cube is 125. That means 5 ka cube karoge, then you find 125. So seeing this unit place, you have to take the number. So 5 you have to take for this. Unit place is 5. So for this you have to take 5. Okay. Then you see the next group. Second group is what? 857. Now this 857, you have to find the cube of a number which this number is in between that cube. Okay, now see this one. 9 cube. It is equal to 729. And 10 cube, it is equal to 1000. Okay. So 857 in between this number and this number. Which number? The 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. Clear? So this number lies between these two numbers. So which one you have to take? This is the smaller one you have to take with this one. First one, what you find? 5 from the unit place, is it? From unit place you find this is 5. From the second group, what you find? That is 9. So cube root of 857375, it is equal to 95. Okay. See another example. Another example I am showing you the number 4913. How to find the cube root of this number? First group is 913. Unit place is what? 3. So now you have to find out किसका क्यूब निकालने से यूनिट प्लेस में 3 होगा. ठीक है. 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube it is equal to 216. 7 cube 343. Now see, for 7 the unit place it is 3. Okay, so you have to take the first number as 3. Clear? Second group is 4. 4 is the number which is in between 1 cube and 2 cube, because 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So 4 is in between 1 cube and 2 cube. So which number you have to take? This 1 you have to take. So first group, for first group you find the number is 3. For second group you find what is the number is 13. Therefore cube root of 4913 equal to 13. So like that you can find the cube root without factorization.